Like the road car, the 2018 Aston Martin Racing Vantage GTE uses a Mercedes-AMG-developed twin-turbo 4.0-liter V8, and output likely isn't far off the road-going model's 503 horsepower given GTE regulations. Aston Martin Racing partnered with Michelin for the tires, Alcon for the brakes, and Öhlins for the suspension. The 2017 driver lineup will be retained for the 2018-2019 WEC season. Aston Martin Racing also plans a return to the 12 Hours of Sebring, a race on the IMSA WeatherTech SportsCar Championship calendar, by 2019.